Hey everyone, welcome back. So tonight's project is a little different. It's a project I've been working on all day, but it is something that I'm really excited about. And if you've been following along with our Kickstarter or been considering purchasing one of our forges, I think you're going to be really excited about it too. So this whole mess is what it is. Now this is a blown burner. It is right now being powered by just a cheapo $20 shop vac outside. I put it outside so we wouldn't have to listen to it run, and just ran a garden hose right over and screwed it on. This is a prototype. It will look a little bit different when we send it. This was just a proof of concept. It works 100%, so I wanted to show it to you. The exciting thing about this is what it means you can do with the forge because of the control it gives you. It opens thousands of doors if you're going to do bladesmithing. Okay, so let me demonstrate this thing running for you. Right now I have the air full bore, and it's not a whole lot of air, guys. Not much is coming out. I will tell you also, I had first tried running it with this little cheapo $10 pump. It actually works if you go straight into the burner, but it doesn't have enough force to push through the hose, and I didn't want to hear it running. So I'm going to go ahead and light this up. It's running clear down to there. The other big thing, especially for bladesmithing, right now you're going to notice that I have a blue flame. That blue is going to indicate that it is oxygen rich, okay? One of the things you can do with a blown burner, besides just controlling what temperature you have it at, if you hook up a thermocoupler, you can set this within probably 10 degrees of whatever temperature you want by controlling your oxygen and propane mix. But the fun thing, if you're going to be doing bladesmithing, you can run it up to the temperature you want. Now this is not 412 temperature yet, but assume it was. You cut back your airflow. Now you notice that the flame shifted blue just slightly. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but you can also kind of hear the change in the volume. That means it's a neutralizing flame. There is no oxygen in there. So if you're going to be doing forge welding or anything else, it's going to pull the oxygen out, and it's very good for your blades. If I keep cutting the air down further, I don't know if you can see that, but that is now a green flame, and it will go even greener. Turn this down so you guys, I don't have to shout. When you get that green flame, you're taking all of the oxygen out of the air, and that's oxygen is your enemy when you're forge welding. So by having a blown burner, it really does open thousands upon thousands of doors within bladesmithing, and quite a few in blacksmithing itself. Now here's the exciting part, guys. This is going to be the burner we send with our forges standard. We still will offer the naturally aspirated burner if you don't have access to power and all of that. But for the exact same price, we're going to send this instead. So all you need is a blower to have all of that control. I'm super excited about it, guys. I'm not aware of any other blown burner forge in this price range. If you are, comment below and let me know. I'm sorry I didn't get a project for you guys tonight, but I was busy getting this done for you. Comment below, guys. Let us know what you think. Let us know some of the projects you would like to see us make. I'm also going to include a link to our Kickstarter, where you can go ahead and purchase one of these if you would like, and I'll include that in the description below. Have a great night. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Take care, guys.